Welcome, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and for today I'm going to prepare some Escovitch fish. So follow me panda one. Right here, as you can see, I have some snapper, 4 snapper that I'm going to season and fry. They are washed clean with lemon juice and vinegar. Over here I have different type of sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, the good old scotch bonnet pepper. I have some carrot, onion, garlic and thyme. Over here I have some vinegar, my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. Right here I have some garlic salt. I have 2 different type of fish seasoning. This is one of the fish seasoning. This is Maggi all-purpose fish seasoning, and this is Maggi all-purpose, and this is some onion powder. Right here, this is some Grace fish seasoning. So guys, watch the process. So guys, now I'm going to add all of the seasoning in one bowl. Now I'm going to mix it all together. Mix it up well. Now I'm going to remove this, put them aside. So now that all my seasoning is in one bowl mixed well together, now I am going to go ahead and season my fish. Get it all in there. Guys, you can use whatever seasoning of your choice. So this is what I have, so this is what I am going to use. So guys, this is my last fish. So now I'm gonna rest it right here and turn on my stove. So guys, I'm gonna turn on my stove and allow it to heat up. Then I'm gonna add some thyme and garlic to the oil. Guys, I'm going to add some thyme to the oil and garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, I'm going to add some pimento also to the oil. So guys, the reason for adding the scotch bonnet pepper and the garlic and the pimento and the thyme is to give the oil flavor. So guys, now that my oil is hot, I'm going to add in my fish. Smells so good in here. Now guys, I'm going to remove my first set of fish from my frying pan. So guys, now I'm going to add my second set of fish. So guys, now I'm going to remove my second set of fish. So now my fish is finished fried, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my Escovitch sauce. Guys, I'm going to add my vinegar to the pot. And I'm going to allow it to just start forming bubbles at the bottom. And then I'm going to add in all of my fresh ground seasoning. Now I'm going to add my favorite spice, some pimento. And my onion. All of my scotch bonnet pepper. All of my carrots. And some of my sweet pepper. I don't like a lot of sweet pepper. Too much sweet pepper take away the flavor of the sauce. I just need it for color. Some colors in there. Look how lovely this look, guys. Smell good. How beautiful this look. I am not going to allow these to cook in the vinegar. I just need it to come up to a boil. I like it crunchy, not soggy. Smells so good with the vinegar and everything blended together, bringing out the flavors in here. Smell awesome. Wow, look beautiful. Wow. So guys, I am going to allow this to sit on the fire for a couple minutes, and the next time you see me, I will be trying my Escovitch fish. Look at this sauce, guys. Look at these beautiful colors. Welcome back, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for being patient. Now let me show you my finished product of my Escovitch fish. Look how bad this I look. Can't get any better than this. If you get any better than this, leave it in the comment section. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Give your girl some love. Give Sonia Creative Kitchen some love. I'm going to give you a big hug. Thank you so much for 321 subscribers. Guys, you have been so amazing, giving me love from left, right and center. I really, truly appreciate it. So guys, so before I go, I would like to big up Damien, aka Vince Black. Big up yourself, Damien. Big up yourself. And guys, I would like to give a shout out also to Urfa and to Wayne. I would like to big up my church sister Chantel, and all of my church family, all of my family, all of my supporters, all of my husband supporter. He keep calling and texting and tell people come over and give my wife some love. So guys, I appreciate you all. Please continue to like the videos, to share the video and to comment. And guys, remember, say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.